Lily Stolzberg. We're here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Franklin, or as I like to call you, the cheese genius.
Hi, Lily. How are you today?
Good. What are we doing today?
You know, when the summer comes in and figs are out and all these things happen, people always ask me, what can I do to make my friends and family come over and feel great? So today I'm gonna make a quick and simple Gorgonzola Dolce in figs. We're going to take the Gorgonzola Dolce and we're gonna add a little bit of mascarpone. And we're gonna mix it with our Gorgonzola. You add a little bit of heavy cream, just a touch, nothing crazy. You mix it in really nice. Then we're gonna take the slices of baguette and we're gonna create an indentation right there. You see how the Gorgonzola, the bread is still a little warm?
And it's so easy to toast the bread.
So
Just a little
easy.
olive oil.
Little olive oil, you're gonna create a little space in between. Earlier, I made a fig compote, fresh figs, honey, orange zest, orange juice. So take this, lay it right on top of the Gorgonzola.
I mean, I bought the jarred fig stuff,
And you can.
but this, making it fresh, we have some caramelized walnuts
That's right.
right on there.
Right on the plate. I use a little thyme to kind of garnish my plate a little bit. And to give it a finishing touch, a little bit of honey. CasArrigoni, a fantastic Gorgonzola, available for us here at Uncle Giuseppe, but a great way to say, welcome to summer.
Absolutely, so simple. So head to news12.com. You'll find the recipe for all of this right there. Thank you so much, Franklin.
Thank you.